in real life. Anyway, I just had to sing a little bit to get myself back in the mood. So anyway, we're back. We're not going to do the intro and explanations and all that kind of stuff because I realised that no one cares. You know, when it comes to a makeup video, you just want to get into the makeup. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to get into the makeup. You can see I've got my base on. I also got my sweat on. Shout out to the oily T-zones out there. But anyway, I've got my base on and we're going to play with some palettes. Yeah, so we're going to play with some palettes. Basically, I wanted to look at some palettes that I recently got, but I'm not sure which one I want to play with. These are the two palettes, well, not the only two, but these are the two palettes that I've recently purchased or received. This one is the Perception palette by Shayla, and she has another collaboration out which I need to get my hands on, but at the moment this is what I have. I've used this palette before. I'm familiar with it. I know what I like about it. There's nothing I don't like about it. Maybe go on to this palette, colouredraine Safari palette, and my good sis, my friend, gifted this for my most recent birthday. I've not used it yet. Well, tell a lie. I have used it, but one colour, like literally just a little bit. I haven't really used the palette. It looks like this. See that? Gorgeous, gorgeous palette. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shimmers, or pigments rather, 4 mattes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to challenge myself just to use this palette. Like, I'm not going to use anything else. I've literally just got this out to finish this face off. But I can see some glistening colours I'm excited to try. But yeah, we're just gonna go straight in basically. I've got my concealer brush, so I'm just gonna put some concealer on the lid to use as a primer. My toddler baby headbutted me when I was putting him to sleep, so that explains that. And then my eye, God knows, I have no idea. But anyway, we move. So just, we're not putting powder on top because we want it to stick. It's a better method. So we're gonna go straight in with a fluffy brush, go straight into the middle. Anyway, clay. It's literally like clay. Just making sure you can see it. Yeah, go straight into the crease with that shade. Oh, pigment. Circular and windscreen motions just to get it blended beautifully up there. I really like that colour. What do you think, guys? That's a nice transition shade sort of colour, if you ask me. And what do I want to do next? What do I want to do next? What do I want to do next? Do Matriarch, which is this shade right here. Comment. So that's Amazon Bazin. This is Tigress. Gorgeous. This is Morphe setting sprays. Nothing, well, it is new, but it's nothing that you haven't seen. You've seen it on YouTube like 1,000 times. Okay, so I've just used that. What am I dipping into? Tigress. That's what I've decided to do out of the colours that I swatched on my now dirty fingers. And I'm gonna pat it down first because, yeah, fallout, I can feel it like falling. So I'm gonna pat it down first. And I didn't cut the crease today. I'm putting it in the inner portion of the eye and then dragging it upwards to complement my eye shape. I've used 3 colours. Can you imagine? 3 colours. Feel it. Bottom lash line, we're going to do clay first. I want to put on some Amazon Bazin, which is this cute colour here. I want to put that on the bottom lash line. Is that a bit much? Oh well, because I'm going to do it. I'm going to take some of this medium on the brush, a little teeny bit like that. It's not really going on the way that I wanted it to go on, really. It's just giving it a kind of wet look. I'm really not sure how I feel about this. Anyway, we're going to take Toucan. Cool. I guess that is about it for the eyes. I'm just going to finish up off camera, do some eyeliner and whatnot, and come back, see how we look as like put together whole. Yeah. Okay, so I'm back. I've put on my mascara, my eyeliner, some just some lip gloss and some, what did I put on my lips? I put some NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in Berlin, chestnut lip pencil, and a little bit of Fenty in Freckle, what is this? Freckle Fiesta, and then some Neat Freak lip gloss by the Shayla times Colourpop. I haven't put no highlighter on because I just feel like I'm feeling earthy, you know? Feeling a bit earthy, and I'm happy with it like this, you know. I would go out with this look. You know what? There's nothing really bad to say about it, is there? There's nothing really bad to say about this eyeshadow. Do you like the eyeshadow look? You tell me if you like the eyeshadow look. But yeah, this is the palette. This is what I created using Clay, Matriarch and Tigress. In the inner tear duct, I just used Toucan just to brighten up the inner there with some gold. And I love it. I actually love it. Yeah, I love it. So yeah, next time I will probably do more colourful looks. We'll be using the Shayla Perception palette. So it looks like that I was speaking about earlier, because I love this palette. It's got purple, it's got blue, it's got gold, it's got champagne, it's got pink. Everything you need is in this palette. So without further ado, I'm gonna go. Please guys, before you go, I haven't filmed a video in ages. Well, I haven't uploaded a video in ages to my channel anyway. If you like this video, if you were intrigued, if you want to see more, please do click the link at the bottom to subscribe. Click the bell and turn on the bell so that you get the notifications as well. I am back now. We're back on the grind. I've got a few things in line. Hold on, let me just... But yeah, I've enjoyed playing makeup with you today. I'm gonna go now and take some sexy selfies. See you next time.